Wish 107.5.
Known you for so long, you are a friend of mine. Is this all we'd ever be? I've loved you ever since, you are a friend of mine. And babe, is this all we ever could be? You tell me things I've never known, showed you love you never showed. Then again, when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you had, I listen very eagerly. Deep inside you'll never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad. Then again, I'm glad. I've known you all my life, you are a friend of mine. I know this is how it's gonna be. I've loved you then and I love you still, you're a friend of mine. Now I know friends are all we ever could be. You tell me things I've never known, I showed you love you never showed. Then again, when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you had, I listen very eagerly. But deep inside you'll never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad. But then again, oh, then again.
There I was, an empty piece of a shell, just minding my own world without even knowing what love and life were all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell. You gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. I love the touch of your hair, and when I look in your eyes, I just know, I know I'm on to something good. And I'm sure my love for you will endure. Your love will light up my world and take all my cares away with the aching part of me. You gave me reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met comes around, I know we'll be making love like never before. My love, who could ask for more? You give me reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. When I met you. Who'd have thought this is how the pieces fit? You and I shouldn't even try making sense of it. I forgot how we ever came this far. I believe we had reasons, but I don't know where they are. So blame it on my heart. The moves in mysterious ways. It's always so surprising how love appears over the horizon. I love you for the rest.
Na di kita iiwanan. Pangako ko na di kita sasaktan. Ikaw lang ang sinisigaw ng puso kong ito. Awitin ko, inaalay sa'yo. Dito ka lang sa aking tabi, kapiling ka bawat sandali. Gusto lang mayakap at mahakan. Pangako'y di makakawalan. O dito ka lang, dito ka lang sa aking tabi. Ikaw lang ang nag-iisa sa puso kong ito. Dalhin mo ang awitin ko na para lamang sa'yo. ka lang, dito ka lang sa aking tabi. Dito ka lang sa aking tabi. Kapiling ka bawat sandali. Gusto lang mayakap at mahagan. Pangako'y di pagkakawala. Oh, dito ka lang, dito ka lang sa aking tabi. Dito ka lang sa aking tabi. Sa aking tabi. Pag tumingin ka na, kislap ng iyong mata, dala mo ay saya. Nawawala ang pangamba pagkat kapiling na kita. Di na mapipigilan ang pusong tinadana. Pag nahihirapan ka, ay laging sasamahan ka. Kailanman asahan, sa'yo lang ang aking naramdaman. Mahal, di dapat mangamba kung minsan ay napapagod ka na. Nandito lang ako, iyong pahinga. Please hear me out, my friend. I've something to say that's from within. It's our last memory. Try to think back, I'll help you see. All of those nights we shared, all of those days you were there. I just wanna love you forevermore, and I wanna hold you just like before. And maybe someday we might just find a way, and we can love forevermore. Turn back time, I would have never let you go. And I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. And I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you I'll be next to you.
Sabi ko, thank you, agam ko, dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko at dahil nakilala kita. Maraming salamat dahil nag-stay ka sa buhay ko at and happy third monthsary sa ating dalawa. Stay strong lang sa ating dalawa. Magtitiwala lang sa isa't isa. Sana tumagal pa rin tayo hanggang magkasama tayo sa personal. Thank you and God bless sa'yo, agam ko. Salamat, napakabait, no?
Oh mahal, ikaw ang bituin ng buhay kong madilim. Bawat ningning mo'y liwanag sa'kin. Oh mahal, salamat sa iyong pagdating. O ikaw lamang ang aking hiling.
Nung una kang madampian ng aking mga paningin, yun ang mga panahong ang buhay ko ay madilim. At sa gitna ng kadiliman, liwanag mo ay nagdingas. Ako'y parang makasalanang binasahan ng sitas na bago ang pananaw. Puso ko'y muling tumibok pagkatapos mamatay dahil sa dami ng kirot na naranasan nung mga panahon na wala ka pa. Ano bang meron sa iyo? Sadyang nakapagtataka. Lumipas mga panahon, sa isip di ka maalis. Di naman kita kanta pero bakit nakakamiss? Kahit malayo ka sa'kin, parang nandyan ka talaga. Tila ba flash ng kamera, tumatatak ka sa mata. At muling nagkasalubong ang ating mga landas. Simula pa lang pero ang sabi ko ay sa wakas dumating na rin ang oras para makasama ka. Di ko lang alam ang pag-ibig ko'y paano ipadadama.
Oh mahal, ikaw ang bituin ng buhay kong madilim. Bawat ningning mo'y liwanag sa'kin. Oh mahal, salamat sa iyong pagdating. O ikaw lamang ang aking hiling.
Madalas na tayong magkasama, bagay na aking dinasal. Nakaka-inlove yung katakawan mo sa mang inasal. Yung pagiging simple mo ayun ang nagbigay tibok sa pusong naghihingalong malapit ng matigok. At dumating ka bilang tagapagtanggol ko sa iba. Tinulungan mong bumangon at muling mag-umpisa sa bagong aklat na tayong dalawa ang nakatala. Bawat pahina, tila ba anghel ang may akda. Sa bawat araw na lumipas na tayo ay magkasama. Bawat minuto, tila ba problema ko'y wala na. Kapag tinititigan ka kahit na sandali, parang mahiga, dulot sa'kin ang iyong ngiti. Habang tayo'y magkasama parang edited, pagkat sa tuwing tinititigan ka nag-i-slow mo ang lahat. At di ko alam kung ba't ganito, para bang may tama, isang patunay na ang pag-ibig ay mahiwaga.
Oh mahal, ikaw ang bituin ng buhay kong madilim. Bawat ningning mo'y liwanag sa'kin.
nahanap ko na rin ang taong para sa'kin. Pangako ang tiwala mo'y hindi ko babasagin. Relasyon natin sa mabuti ko to aakayin. Di kita iiwan kahit malagay sa alanganin. Tutulungan kita sa mga problema mong pasan. Mula nang dumating ka buhay ko, laki ng ginaan. Dahil sa'yo pangarap ko unti-unting nakakamit. Hindi sasagi sa isip ko na ika'y ipagpalit. Kamatayan lang ang makakapaghiwalay sa atin. At kung mabuhay man muli, palaging iisipin na hanapin kita.
Yes, you will know from this day.